The real name of Dada Sindhi, a renowned writer, researcher, historian and teacher of the Sindhi language, was Karim Bakhsh, son of Muhammad Qasim Soomro. He was born on July 5, 1945, in village Dad Laghari, Taluka Daharki, District Ghotki. His father was an employee of the police department. He received his primary education from his village, while he received his English education from Mir Purkaz. Later, he earned his BAA, B.Ed, and M.A. Sociology degrees from the University of Sindh and made a prominent place in the academic field. Dada Sindhi started his professional life as a primary teacher in the education department. Due to his hard work, ability, and academic skills, he rose to the position of subject specialist. He did not limit students to only curricular education but also taught them about the history, civilization, national characters, and academic heritage of Sindh. He retired from government service in 1994. His literary and research inclination was born from childhood. The academic environment at home, the books and the personal library of his brother Qadir Bakhsh and aunt Allah Bakhsh encouraged his love of reading. His first article was published in the daily Miran, while his deep interest in the history of Sindh increased after his meetings with renowned historians Maulai Shedai and Rashid Bhatti. During the one-unit movement, he wrote his first research and historical article, after which hundreds of his articles and essays were continuously published in Nai Zindagi, Pagam, Miran, Nai Soch, Akbar Talim and other newspapers and magazines. He also wrote many scripts for Radio Pakistan, Khairpur. Dada Sindhi authored important books on the history of Sindh, national characters, freedom movements, military history, trade, scholars and warriors. His prominent books include De Dam Dadan, Military Skills of Sindhis, Sindh's Historical Stories, 1857 War of Independence in Sindh, Golden Deeds of Sindh Scholars, Trading with Disawar by the Early Sindhis, Soldiers of the Sumerian Era, Historical People, Historical Stories, Sweet Beloved in the Eyes of Foreigners, and Sindh's Public Characters. In addition, many of his research manuscripts are also available in unpublished form. The great achievement of Dada Sindhi's research was that he brought the forgotten historical events, personalities, and national heritage of Sindh to the general reader in an easy and interesting way. Through his writings, the younger generation got the opportunity to become acquainted with the history, identity, and national consciousness of Sindh. In recognition of his academic, literary, and research services, he received many awards including the Sindhi Adabi Sangat Award, Sindhology Award, All Sindh Balk Award, ICI Company Award, Sangat Kalam Award, and Sindh Sahibita Society Award. This renowned researcher, historian, and scholar of Sindh passed away on January 11, 1998, due to a heart attack. But his books and research works are still important sources for readers and researchers interested in the history of Sindh.